What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay back with another friendly reminder. Thanks for watching. It's Monday. I hope you guys have had a great weekend. Hope you guys have manifested your goals and your dreams so far in April. Today's the 24th, and not really much is happening today. It's just 12:15, so um well, you know. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Um, Today, we're gonna be discussing, my channel has been broken down to three areas. Manifesting greatness, graphic design, and healthy living. So I've been basically focusing on the manifesting greatness part and, you know, in your life and in your relationships. So, um, this is probably going to be, I don't know yet. I think like this week, I'm probably going to like start working on, my graphic design videos. And that's basically going to be like how to create things in with Photoshop and Adobe. And I have some other design software that I want to show you guys as well. But okay, and I also have my the healthy living part of my my workshop of my channel, which is basically going to be, things like what I eat in a day, work out with me and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be starting, or we I'm gonna be starting that as well. So you're gonna see more of, I'm still gonna be, on the manifesting greatness as well, but you're gonna see um graphic design vids as well as healthy living. I'm going to like title them so you'll know what kind of video to look for. It'll either say manifesting greatness, it'll either say healthy living, or graphic design. So this video is of manifesting greatness. It's the role of self-care and self-love in manifesting your dreams. So um, you know, speaking of manifesting anything, you have to have self-love and self-care. So um with that being said, it's something that you have to have in order to manifest your dreams. You have to love yourself anyway. So self love and self care are critical components in manifesting your dreams. When you truly love and care for yourself, you create a positive mindset and a healthy environment that allows you to focus on your goals and aspirations. So, this in turn helps you manifest your dreams with greater ease and success. Self love is all about accepting and appreciating yourself for who you are. It's about recognizing your strengths and weaknesses and embracing them as a part of your unique individuality. When you love yourself, you develop a self image that promotes confidence, self respect, and self worth. The positivity fuels your ambitions, allowing you to pursue your dreams with vigor and determination. Now, on the other hand, self care is all about taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. When you practice self care, you prioritize your well being and ensure that you're operating at your optimal capacity. So, you have to make sure that self care is something that you're doing regularly. These things may include like getting enough rest, eating healthy, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Okay, by doing this, you ensure that your mind and body are in top shape, that they can allow you to focus on your goals and manifest your dreams with greater ease. So, so some people want to know, like, love and how do you self love and self care? How is that related to manifesting your dreams? Okay, well, for starters, what you can do is like prioritize your well being. It makes you it when you care for yourself, and love yourself, you develop a sense of inner peace and calm that allows you to approach life with a positive outlook, you know. So self love and self care, both concepts are essential for creating a positive mindset because, it helps you develop a sense of inner peace. The positivity helps you attract positive experiences and opportunities, which in turn can lead to the manifestation of your dreams. So you always want to think positive and love on yourself. Self care, take that time for yourself. Self love and self care help you cultivate a strong sense of self awareness. You always have to be aware of yourself, what you're doing, your surroundings. Excuse me. When you prioritize your well being, you become more attuned to your needs, desires, and your goals. I mean, this awareness allows you to identify what you truly want in life and develop a clear vision for your future. By having a clear vision, you can focus your energy and attention on manifesting your dreams. So, self love and self care can also help you develop resilience and perseverance. Pursuing your dreams can be challenging, and setbacks and failures are inevitable. But however, when you love and care about yourself, you develop the inner strength and resilience to overcome these obstacles. You learn to view setbacks as opportunities for growth and continue to pursue your goals with greater determination. So, once you have that, develop that resilience, you know, and you learn to view your setbacks as opportunities, that is when you're able to literally manifest the things that you need in life. Okay? Self love and self care can also help you cultivate a positive relationship with yourself. You need to know who you are, you know, know that you're great, know that you're worthy. When you prioritize your well being, you develop a sense of self respect and self worth. This self respect and self worth allows you to approach your dreams with a sense of confidence and belief in your abilities. You know that you're worthy of achieving your goals and you're willing to put in the effort to make them a reality. So, this is how you can use self love and self care to manifest greatness in your life and in your relationships. So, in conclusion, self love and self care are critical components of manifesting your dreams. When you love and care for yourself, you create a positive mindset. You develop resilience and perseverance and cultivate a positive relationship with yourself. These qualities allow you to pursue your goals with greater ease and success, ultimately leading to the manifestation of your dreams. So, if you're looking to achieve your dreams, you should start by prioritizing self love and self care. Love on yourself, care for yourself, realize that you are great, realize that you are worthy, realize that you deserve everything you desire, and believe that and see what happens. So, this has been your girl, Kanina. You guys make sure you like and subscribe to the video um if you like the content. Make sure you subscribe, y'all. So I need to get my subscribers up. So make sure you guys subscribe. Don't just watch, subscribe. All right, so oh, and don't forget to check out my blog at www.yagirlkanina.blogspot.com. If you guys want to see behind the scenes, I haven't uploaded any behind the scenes yet, but I will. I will. I will eventually start to upload. So you go ahead and follow me there on my blog. It should be listed below. Not in the comments, but in the description. I'm probably gonna put it as a pinned comment as well. All right, so let me go ahead and drop this vid so you guys can check it out and let me know if you like it. Drop it in the comments if you guys want to talk more about self love and self care. Drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys make sure y'all check me out on Conversation Rules the Nation. We're gonna start putting up posting every day. We'll try to make the post for like 8, 7 or 8, after well, around the time that the news comes on, so let me know what you guys think about that. So go ahead and go follow me over there, like and subscribe over there as well. And thanks for watching. Peace.